Welcome to the Cool English Podcast, where I bring you English vocab, culture, pronunciation, and much more.
Hello. Today we'll be going over some vocational vocab. This is a great set to learn for words that might help you at work or as a hobby. So let's get started with gardening and landscaping. This is a great set for anyone who wants to work in the yard or with gardening and landscaping, or even on your own Sunday when you want to tend to your garden. Let's first learn the words. The first word we have is shovel.
Shovel.
Shovel is a tool with a broad blade used to dig or move dirt around. We might use a shovel to dig a hole, for example, to put a new tree. Next, rake. Rake is R-A-K-E, and this is a tool with a long handle and teeth. We call them tines, used to gather or smooth things like leaves or gravel. We might ask someone to rake all the autumn leaves into a pile before putting them into a trash can. Next,
Hoe.
hoe, H-O-E. And a hoe is a tool with a small blade, and it's used to weed the garden or maybe break up soil. We might use the hoe to remove the weeds in the vegetable garden. Maybe if you're going to plant something, you want to use the hoe to break up the soil. Next,
Shears.
shears, S-H-E-A-R-S, shears. These are like big scissors or powerful scissors. And we call these shears, and there are two types. We have a small and a larger one. The smaller one we use to prune bushes, maybe some hedges. The larger one, we might cut small branches off trees. The bushes are too big. Use the shears to trim them. Next,
Lawnmower.
the lawnmower, L-A-W-N, lawn, which is the grass in front of your house or around your house, and mower, M-O-W-E-R. To mow means to cut. So it's very common to say mow the yard or mow the lawn. And the lawnmower is the machine we use to do this. You can have a push lawnmower like this one. You can have a riding lawnmower where you sit on it. It's fancier. Some are electric, some are gas. It's Saturday, so it's time to use the lawnmower. Next, we have a wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow.
W-H-E-E-L, wheel, and barrow, B-A-R-R-O-W. And this is a one-wheeled cart used to push or to move heavy things like mulch or dirt. Load the mulch into the wheelbarrow and move it. Next, we have a hose.
Hose.
H-O-S-E, hose. A hose is a flexible tube used to water plants or to spray surfaces. So we might connect the hose to the tap and water the flowers. We use the hose to wash our car, but it's very common to water the grass or the flowers with the hose. Next is a sprinkler.
Sprinkler.
S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E-R, the sprinkler. And this is a device that automatically sprays water across a lawn or field. So we use the hose for small jobs, but for big jobs, we normally have sprinklers. And you can have underground sprinklers, they're fancier, or this type, which you connect a hose to, and it stays above the ground. So turn on the sprinkler to water the entire lawn. Next,
Trimmer.
a trimmer, T-R-I-M-M-E-R. The trimmer, some people call it a weed whacker because it whacks weeds, is a powerful tool used to trim the grass in difficult places like along the fence or maybe along the edge of the sidewalk. Use the trimmer to cut the grass near the wall. These are gloves.
Gloves.
Gloves, gloves. And they're protective covering for your hands that you wear to prevent cuts or blisters. You might wear the gardening gloves to protect your hands from the thorns. So those are the 10 words for gardening and landscaping. Let's test them out a little bit. We have some multiple choice. So here we see a picture of digging a hole. And what's the tool they're using to dig the hole? Well, that looks like it's a shovel. Next, I see someone cutting the grass along the fence because it's kind of a hard to reach place with the lawnmower. So what do we use to cut the grass along the fence? I think that's the trimmer. After that, we need to turn on to water the whole yard. What are these things that kind of automatically water your yard? Those are the sprinklers. And if you want to cut the whole grass, you want to use the lawnmower. Another great way is a story choice where we have a little story like Leo was ready for his first day of landscaping. The first thing he did was put on his protective so he wouldn't get blisters. What do we put on our hands so we don't get blisters? I think those are gloves. Another great practice are flashcards. So you see these cards and we have this image here. What is that? That's the trimmer. And this is the wheelbarrow. And this is the rake. That flexible tube, that's the hose. Another great practice is open questions. We might listen to a question.
If you had to choose only one tool to clean a messy yard, would you choose a rake or a shovel? Why?
Oh, I would definitely choose a rake if I could only choose one tool to clean a messy yard. A shovel is really not for cleaning. It's more for digging, moving big piles of dirt. What about the next one?
Is it more satisfying to dig a big hole with a shovel or remove tiny weeds with a hoe?
Oh, definitely more satisfying to dig a hole with a shovel. I don't like removing tiny weeds with a hoe. That seems tedious. I might ask, describe what the world would look like if nobody ever used shears or trimmers. Wow. It would be pretty crazy if all the bushes and hedges got overgrown. Or I might ask, have you ever used a wheelbarrow? What did you move with it? I've used a wheelbarrow a couple times. We normally move dirt. Headlines are another great way to review this vocabulary. So, fire department's quick action, new hose technology helps stop blaze from spreading. So, what is hose in that context? I think that's the flexible tube used to carry water, right? So they're using that hose to stop the fire. Or how about another one? Community comes together to rake leaves for elderly neighbors. So it sounds like the neighbors, the older neighbors, had a lot of leaves in their yard, and they used the rake, which is the tool to gather leaves or debris with a long handle. A really fun one are video clips. So you might come here and try to hear the word.
We'd have to rent a hedge trimmer.
Let's try that one more time.
We'd have to rent a hedge trimmer.
I think he's saying we have to rent a hedge trimmer, right? The trimmer, the thing we used to cut like scissors. Or
throw it in the wheelbarrow.
something that cowboy there said, throw it in the wheelbarrow.
Ah, these flower shears are so dull.
I think she's saying the flower shears are dull, meaning they're not sharp. It's hard to cut the flowers. One more.
Finished raking all the leaves.
So the boy's telling his parents that he's finished raking all the leaves, which is the verb we use when we use a rake. And then finally, there's a test and a PDF worksheet you can use. So here, a shovel is the best tool for gathering dry leaves from a lawn. True or false? Well, it's false, right? We use a rake, not a shovel. So thanks so much for checking out the vocational vocab this week. Next week we'll go over another set. So stay tuned. Have a great week.
You want to learn English?
Cool. English. Do you want to learn cool English?
Cool.
English, dude. English.